let's try. So it's no longer news that content creation is the king when it comes to your online marketing. You get, so content creation is one thing that you can use to bargain millions of dollars when it comes to the online space, and you can also use it to bargain ambassadorship deals. You get, so now one thing I found out that content creators have problems in is actually creating content. You get, sitting in front of their camera and creating content. And most times we forget our lines. You get, now this is where teleprompter comes in. Now teleprompter is just what you can use to, you know, instead of looking at your book to read, you just hang it somewhere around your phone and read it out, and nobody's going to know that you're using teleprompter. Now if you have the Capcut app, you don't need to go to Play Store to download the teleprompter, because Capcut just introduced their own teleprompter. You don't need to pay for it. All you need to do is to download the Capcut app to get this teleprompter. Now, this is how the teleprompter works. So you open your Capcut app, you click on camera. Once you click on camera, you're going to see yourself this way. You get, the next thing you're going to do is to click on prompter. Get, now this is everything that is there. Now to edit what is here already, all you need to do is to click on this icon here, copy and paste your script. Once you copy and paste your script, you click on done. You click on this setting button here. Get, so increase the rate at which the text is going to go up, so that you don't miss out on a particular word. Then you can move the teleprompter around here using this particular button. You get, so once you are done with it, you click on this button here, and that is it. So once you click on that, you record your video. Once you record your video, you are good to go. You don't need to be shy anymore. You don't need to, cram all your script anymore. All you just need to do is to use the Capcut app and use the Capcut teleprompter, record your video. Once you are done, use your Capcut, edit the video and post it on your Instagram page, your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, and all of that. So you can use this to bag in more content in this year 2023.